How would you like to use cutter compensation when profiling a part within OneCNC? Well, it's simple and I'm going to show you how to do it. In this example, you can see we're performing a profile operation on the boss. Let's take a look at the parameters here. Let's edit this machining operation. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at this dialog box. It's coming up right here. Where it says finishing, what you want to do is set this to bottom only. And then within the compensation parameters, you're going to have four options. Let's talk about these. Automatic means no cutter comp, no G41, no G42. The next option is at control. What that means is at the control, you're going to need to type in the diameter of the tool. The next option is called wear closer. Wear closer simply means that at the control, you're going to start with 0 as the diameter. Then any value you type in for the diameter of the tool is going to cut closer and make the part smaller by that amount. If you type in 20 thousandths for the diameter of the tool, then the part is going to get smaller by 20 thousandths. Wear away works similar, but in the other direction. So again, you're going to start with 0 as the diameter of the tool. Then any value you type in for the diameter of the tool, the part is going to grow. The tool is going to move away from the part. So if you type in 20 thousandths out there at the control for the diameter, the part is going to get bigger by 20 thousandths. It's very simple. I'm going to use this option here called at control. The next thing you want to take a look at is how the tool approaches and how the tool exits the profile. On a lot of machine tools, the tool needs to approach at 90 degrees to the first cut, and then it also needs to exit at 90 degrees from the last cut. That's very simple to set up here within OneCNC, where it says start angle, put in minus 90 degrees. For end angle, type in minus 90 degrees. And then the start line length and end line length is simply just the length of that perpendicular move. We're going to click finish, and there we go. We've just applied cutter comp. Let's take a look at the CNC code. We're going to select post operation, and I'm just using the default post processor. Let's overwrite this file and take a look at the code. So here we go. You can see the tool is positioning down in Z, and then it uses G41, approaches the profile perpendicular, and then it comes around and then exits the profile perpendicular with the G40 move. Very easy to output cutter compensation within OneCNC. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next tip of the day.